So basically, we all want to make more money, want to travel around the world, want to buy nice cars, want to go on trips on private jets, want to do everything luxury for ourselves. But what if I actually tell you that you can make this much money for yourself by simply trading the financial currency market? Yes, exactly what you thought, Forex. Now, this is exactly what I've done for myself, and I've been able to earn for myself over $3,000 even as a new beginner. Yes, I had no knowledge about Forex, and I was able to follow through a particular process, and I've been able to earn for myself over $3,000 in the past 60 days. But what I want to simply do in this video is to teach you how to get started with this particular Forex trading, but most importantly, even give you access to a couple of series of videos that would help you to understand and master how to become more profitable in the Forex market. And if you actually watch this particular video to the end, I'm going to give you access to a Forex trading course where you're going to be learning everything you need to know about Forex and how to really scale in this very space and even become more profitable than you have ever imagined. Now, this access to this free course is going to be given to you for free, so make sure you actually watch this particular video to the very end, give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions, do well to drop in the comment section below, as I would reply all of your comments. And the beautiful thing about this particular video is that I'm going to show you exactly what I did that has helped me earn over $3,000 in the past 60 days, and even had my withdrawals into my local bank account, because what I'm going to show you right here will give you access to withdrawing your own money into your local bank account, into your crypto wallet, and also other wallets that are available to you right here, as you can see on my screen right now. In order to get started, one of the basic questions you're actually going to be asking me right now is, Franklin, what exactly is Forex? Now, Forex basically is a short term for foreign exchange, and it is a global marketplace where currencies are being traded. Now, the goal here is to profit from the changes in the exchange rate between two currencies. Currencies are quoted in pairs such as Euro USD, where the first currency is the base currency and the second is the quote or the counter currency. Now, with this simple understanding, the next major thing you're actually going to be thinking about now is who is a Forex broker. A Forex broker is actually a financial institution or a company that acts as an intermediary between individual traders and the foreign exchange market. Now, the Forex market is exactly where currencies are being traded, and it is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, this basically means that in order to get started with Forex, you basically need a Forex broker, a financial institution that basically allows you to be able to trade these currencies and profit from it. And in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys access to one of the major Forex brokers that I currently use. Having tried out a couple of Forex brokers and also read on a couple of reviews from people who have actually had so much of experience in the Forex space, this particular company actually stood out in the market and they actually have very positive reviews. And I feel like it might actually be a very good one jumping on them right here. Now, as you can see on my screen, this is FBS, and these guys are an international broker that has served growing numbers of over 27 million active traders from over 150 countries since 2009. And they actually have currently spanned over 150 countries and have over 27 million active users. But then all of those things don't faze me, because anybody that actually wants to treat you badly will do so. FBS on their own actually have a couple of good and unique USPs that I believe that most probably will actually help you to make the better choice with jumping on spaces like this one. One here is where they actually have a one-size-fits-all standard account. They actually have a minimum deposit of $5, which is exactly where they actually have a very low threshold for anybody, even a complete beginner, to jump on and get started with trading for themselves. They also have low floating spreads from 0.7 pips. They have a custom leverage of 1 to 3,000. Their commission starting at 0%, and a couple of other features that these guys particularly have. But then I also majorly love their reviews, because one of the things I do is when I'm jumping on any company or any website, I always love to read reviews from people who are already existing users of the platform before I even jump on board. Because guys, when you come over to FBS on Trustpilot, you can basically see that they have a lot of positive reviews on here. Now look at this one. This one says, I trust FBS for a long time, I trade with it. You can go further to read all of what he has said inside of here. Scrolling down, you can also see here he says, here are 3 reasons why I opened. And he gave his reasons for opening here, from the spread to the commission and also leverage which he gets from FBS here. Scrolling down, this is also another 5-star review. And going down, you can see another 5-star review. They are all positive and 5-star reviews here. And the major thing here is the fact that I love where, you know, FBS team are able to respond to people right on this particular space, and most importantly, even on their website, because they have a customer support section which is actually available for you 24/7, meaning that you are never alone in your journey with this particular company. They are always with you all the way. And in order to get started here, you actually want to go ahead and use the link I have in the description of this particular video. Yes, there's going to be a link down there in the description, and as well in the pinned comments for you to get started and access this particular website right away. Now, once you're inside the of here, you actually want to go through, and then you'll be seeing a couple of currency pairs that are on here, and going through the website to just get a couple of insights around what you're going to be getting here. Now, there are three major things that you basically need from your broker in order to be safe and also see this as one place where you actually want to stay or stick to. Now, the major one here is transparency from the broker. The second one is actually having advantageous condition for your trading, and the third is protection for your own personal data and also for your funds. Now, once you have these three major things, then you are good to go, and FBS already have all of them and even more. Now, once you're on this particular website and you're scrolling down, you actually want to go and you're going to be seeing a couple of trading instruments here, from the popular trading to the currency pairs, metal, energy indices, shares, and a couple of other things that you can actually get to access in this very space. And from on here, you can basically see that you can go ahead and create a demo account. Now, this particular demo account is one that you need if you are just totally getting started with Forex trading and whatever it is, because honestly, you actually want to start trading with your own money, especially if you don't know anything at all. So you want to come over here and click on open demo account. Now, once you click on open demo account, it's going to take you to where you can actually proceed to sign up and get started with this particular space. Click on confirm my email right here, and once I have that done, the next step is going to take me over to log into my account. Now I'm here already, and I'll click on proceed, and my email verification is successful. So you can see I'm opening up a demo account for myself right now, and I'm going to click on open account, and I'm going to proceed. And you can see it's asking me now what trading platform am I going to be using. Now, it's either you're using the MT5 or you're using the MT4, but then I'm going to leave it at MT5, right? Account currency USD, initial balance at 20,000. And here it's asking if you actually go with the Islamic account. Yes, we actually want to go with this, and we can leave this at 1,200. So I'm going to click on open account, and once I click on open account right side of here, it's going to show me my logins to my MetaTrader app, and I can actually use this to always log into my MetaTrader app. And once I have that done, I can click on proceed to personal area. Now, once you click on proceed to personal area, you can see here you have $20 balance in your demo account. Now, go ahead right now and use the link in the description and sign up to have a free demo account with FBS. And once you have that, leave it at 20,000 and let me know if you got your $20,000 balance in your wallet. Yeah, just type yes Franklin, I got the $20,000 balance in my wallet instead of here. Now, once you've been able to see this, you can see that you actually want to go ahead and verify your ID. And on verifying your ID, you can simply just click on this to verify. And once you've been able to fully verify, you can actually use your national ID, you can use your international passport, or even your driver's license for your verification. Now, once you've been able to achieve this, the next thing for you to do right now is to go ahead and start trading with the balance that you basically have. So this is going to be your login details that you need, and that is all you need to get started. Okay, so once you click on trade right inside of here, you can see there's a pop-up showing you your login details into your MetaTrader 5 application, and this is exactly what you use. So you can just simply scan this on your mobile phone, and you can easily get access to download this application and log in into your area for yourself. But this is not it all, guys, because when you actually go over to the menu, you're going to be getting access to a couple of other things you can do right on here. For example, you can see here you can deposit, you can actually withdraw, you can do your internal transfers, and also see your transactional history. But when we click on withdraw right here, coming over here, you can see that there are a lot of ways to withdraw using your FBS account. So here you can see you can withdraw to your local bank account in Nigeria. You can actually withdraw via USDT. You can withdraw via USDT ERC20 network. And you can withdraw via Bitcoin, Perfect Money, Litecoin, Skrill, Solana. You can withdraw Netella, Ethereum, StickPay. Like, there are a lot of options that are available for you to make a withdrawal. So you wouldn't have any issue of, oh, I'm in Nigeria and I can't take my money down for this and that and all of those issues. No, there are different ways to actually withdraw your money down into your local bank account if you are willing to do so. Okay, now coming over here, we have other options like promotions, and on here you can basically see this special service that they are running right inside of here. There's also the partner area. If you click on become a partner right inside of here, you're going to be getting a referral link, a partner ID, which you can use to actually refer other people to jump on board this particular space. But then when we go over to analytics and education, remember, like I said, I was going to share with you guys access to a free course right inside of here. You can actually see that there is a beginner course, and this particular beginner program is tailored for every beginner that is actually getting started with the Forex space. Now, all you need to do right now is to come over here And you can actually start out with the course 1, which is Introduction to Online Trading. You're going to click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to give you access to all of the lessons that you need to know in order to get started. Now, Forex trading is not as difficult as people make it seem. It is actually more of technical and more of analytical than even difficult in the first place. So with this, you're able to get all of those insights and you're able to start doing something that will help you scale in this particular space. This is it for the particular video today, guys. Honestly, this is just a beginner introduction on how to get started with the particular space. Now, what I simply want you to do right now is to go ahead and create a demo account. See, a demo account costs you nothing. Now, go ahead and use my link in the description. Now, also the link in the pinned comment to create a demo account for yourself and then have your $20,000 balance in your demo wallet. Now, once you basically have this, you can actually get started with assessing the cost, like I've actually shared with you guys for free right side of here, so that you can actually start with understanding how this works, and also it gives you more insight on what you should actually do for yourself in this very space. At the same time, like I said, I'm going to be creating a series of videos where I'll be giving you guys insight and access to everything I've done personally that's actually helped me scale, and also share with you guys what I actually do and how I leverage this particular market to make a lot of money for myself here. Now, in order to be able to get access to more of this content like this one, you want to go ahead and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to this channel, especially the bell icon, so that you do not miss any of my videos. Now, you have a series of questions. Do well to ask them in the comment section below. I'll definitely reply all of your questions. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this particular video, and with this, I will see you in my next video. Peace.